Hello, welcome to another episode of The Engineer and Thee with your host, Engineer Man Stan. This is just an update video for all my fam that's out there, my fan base and fans that I really do appreciate subscribing and liking my videos already. Um, this is just an update video to let y'all know what's going on and why things are not happening as recent as without reason why videos are not uploading just yet. Um, the one video I did get uploaded was by fluke chance, mostly because the Microsoft software that I used to upload that was sketchy at best. Very glitchy, very unreliable, and so I ended up wanting to do something a little bit more. I wanted to create videos using a very specialized means, and also have means of editing them if I choose to edit them. So a little bit of an update of what's going on. So we have in my background my desktop. Good news, it fires up. It's great. It took a little bit of persuasion, um, but um, we I had a stick of RAM go bad, so unfortunately I'm down, you know, 2 gigs of RAM. So it's only got 2 gigs in there, so it's barely enough to run Windows even then. Um, so yay, that was fun. I did some updates on my 3D printer. I had to reroute the cables a little bit more. Video is pending. Like I said, it's going to be needed editing. If I was to run it in real time, it's almost like 5, 6, maybe 8 hours worth of work. Also, it's going to be really, really funny because there's the entertainment factor I told you guys all about that's going to be there. It's going to be really great. Unfortunately, like I said, I'm dealing with some minor technicalities that was foreseen, but was not foreseen at the same time. So, unfortunately, my desktop is not working as I want to because Windows cannot load, and it says that there's a file corrupted, which means that when I turn the computer off and put it into storage, it was put into hibernation, not full shutdown. So that's a bit of a problem, and now I got a corrupted file going on. That's not cool at all. Um, so I got to find my Windows software, and hopefully I can redo the software, redo Windows, and get it up and running. Otherwise, videos are going to be a little bit on the more delayed side. So I'm just doing a real quick video that I can get uploaded real quick and without any splicing or editing. Uh, so on the forefront of news, we have everything else running as smooth as possible. We got everything going into place that we needed to go in place, and now it's just a matter of getting the videos running more smoothly instead of running off of just a single mic and running off of just the camera itself. Like I said, I have intentions of using 2 cameras instead of just one. Uh, we have a little action cam right here. I don't know if that's showing up in the video very well or not. These are uploaded in HD, so hopefully that picks up. Like I said, we even got a MIDI controller here. That's pretty cool. We're gonna make our own sound fonts for video intros and outros. So that's going to be something that's going to be made here shortly. Again, pending desktop working, which yeah, like it's going to take some time getting that up and running. We have, you know, many other things already set up and ready to go. It's just a matter of desktop. So I really appreciate the fan base, my fam. I really do appreciate you guys liking and subscribing to my channel. Here shortly, I will have something set up where I can accept donations. Hopefully that will get put together here shortly. It's just been, like I said, a little bit of a hiccup here and there, trying to get everything up and running properly so we can start. Um, I have to test run my 3D printer to make sure it actually prints properly. Unfortunately, the licensed software that I have is a student version, and I no longer am a student, and my email address is no longer valid. So I actually have to try to figure out how I'm going to get a new email subscription going on for the software. Unfortunately, everything I've looked for and looked at up to this day, including today, it's just been ridiculously expensive. For like $2,000 for a licensed software subscription. No longer are you given product keys that you can purchase. You are to now subscribe and get renewed licenses over and over and over per year or per month. So yeah, that's going to be ridiculously expensive, and hopefully I can cut a deal with some companies in the future. I'm on the business calls now, trying to figure out who am I going to work with, who I'm going to have supporting my channel, and all the other stuff. Everything's going to be done by me. In the end, we're it's just a one-man army. So all the editing, all the builds, all the planning, everything is going to be done by me. So we're in the middle of planning, getting started up officially. Less, problems with this. If this wasn't a problem right now, we would have the 3 pending videos that I have uploaded, or that I've got done, uploaded. So we're working on that. Like I said, I really do appreciate everybody that's subscribed to my channel so far, and I owe it to you guys to give you a bit of an update as to what's going on and where I'm at in this channel. So hopefully we're doing good. We're doing really good. Progress is coming along very nicely. Just some minor hiccups, which is no big deal. We'll have that up. We'll have those fixed in a heartbeat. It's just a matter of, like I said, finding all the software and reloading everything and trying to get everything that I can use to run the 3D printer and the laser engraver that I have here, the smaller thing, to test run them and see how they function. I mean, we really need that stuff to work as designed, so we can actually get along with our projects. If we don't get that along with if we can't get those to work properly, then our projects are going to be limited to just more of a prototype phase, more of a testing and diagnostics, kind of like getting some sort of preliminary design put together, but not in a hard fashioned way or permanent fashioned way, so that we can all see and have it work together properly. So unfortunately, we're a little bit at a crossroads here. So, but yeah, just a little bit of an update. As you can see, room's coming along fairly nicely. We got my tool chests all put together. We still got some tools to put away. A little bit of organization here and there. Like I said, we got my desktop, laser engraver, MIDI controller, action cam, video editing software, my 3D printer. And we got a little weigh scale up there for postal service. Really cheap and efficient way of being able to make postages and ways, predictable shipping and handling for when I make my products and getting them finally out when they're in production. More monitors, set of headphones, printer. Unfortunately, the printer has got the ink dried out on it again, so that's no fun. I have to replace the ink on that. Yay. Our shelves are looking rather stocked, full of just amazing stuff that will eventually get all sorts of put togethers and whatnot. Um, so yeah, I really do hope that everybody stays patient with me as we are along for this very fun, adventurous journey. This is the Engineer Man Stan signing out, and see y'all next time.